Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cluttered Workbench. My name's Dave, and today we're going to work on a basic kit build. We're not going to use anything very expensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get involved in soldering. I've got a very inexpensive pair of diagonal flush cut side cutters. These are probably a couple of dollars on Amazon. We have a little kit here, Learn to Solder Kit from Blink, made in California. Got a battery, the circuit board. That's what we're going to work on today. Doesn't have any instructions, so I'm going to show you the easy way to put them together. Now for my fancy soldering iron, I'm going to move my camera over here and we'll zoom in a little bit. This is a knockoff of a Hakko 936. It is an AB fast iron 936 Bravo. It's an analog, so it has a dial and not a digital display, but it takes the Hakko tips, and it's about 25 bucks. It's not a bad iron. The handpiece, the only modification I made to this is I put a genuine Hakko tip on there. It's a 1.8 millimeter chisel tip or flat blade screwdriver. The reason I use the Hakko tips, the genuine ones, because they last a lot longer. They've got a heavier iron plating on them, and it's real easy to change the tip. You just unscrew the nut, pull it off, put a new tip on over the heating element. The Hakko tips, the genuine ones, actually fit much better over the heating element, so you get a better heat transfer. And I will put that on. Now I've made a couple of modifications to the soldering iron stand. I put a couple of stick-on wheel weights to give it a little more mass so it doesn't wander around on the bench. And I inserted a brass tip cleaner into the base. I got a pack of 6 from Thermaltronics for a couple of bucks on Amazon. So let's get into the kit. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm going to turn my iron on. I've already pre-tinned it. That's ready to go. And we will open this up. Take out the components. Put the bag to the side. We get a Sony CR2032 lithium battery, 3 volts, and the 20 means that it's 20 millimeters in diameter. The 32 means it's 3.2 millimeters thick. It's a very common battery. You can find them everywhere. We have a selection of components here. I'll just put out on the bench. We've got some resistors. Let me zoom in here just a bit. Oops, wrong way. And these are metal film resistors, and it's really hard to read the color codes on them. We'll figure that out in a minute. Got a battery holder, a blue LED, red LED, and 3 switches. Well, we're missing something here. And we have the circuit board. So we are missing 1 LED. Hold on a second. Need a green one. Green one didn't. Is it stuck in the battery holder? Nope. Oh, caca. Hold on 1 minute. Let's see if I can find a green LED. That's kind of a boring. Please wait.